Alright, hi guys. So we are going to be working on Learning Target 6 today. So Learning Target 6, we're going to tie in a lot of what we've done in the unit already. So that's pretty exciting. We're going to tie it all together and use some stuff with equations. So we have this equation here that we're looking at, and we need to graph it. So we're going to use our skills from yesterday and create a table to do so to start. So, create your table a little bit lower because I want to use that upper space for something in a minute. So this is exactly like yesterday, except instead of using f of x now, we're going to use y. So x is still our input. This is y equals 2x minus 4, and y is our third piece. So we're just going to plug in. Again, I'm going to use snapshot numbers. -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And if it makes it easier for you to see, you can put some lines between them, like that. Alright, so I'm going to plug in -2 into my equation here. -2 times positive 2 times -2 minus 4. You can type this all into your calculator as one. Just make sure you're using the symbols that is there. So positive 2 times -2 minus 4. That's going to give me -8 as my answer. So I'm just typing that in completely into my calculator, and I get -8. You can keep filling out the rest of the table with me, or try and work ahead of me. 2 times -1 minus 4. Well, that's going to be -2 minus 4, which would be -6. 2 times 0 minus 4 is going to be 0 minus 4. That's -4. 2 times 1 minus 4, that's going to be 2 minus 4, that's -2. And 2 times 2 minus 4, that's 4 minus 4, that's going to be 0. Alright, so now I have my table. Now one thing that I want to look at is what we did a few days ago, and actually look at using that table and trying to find the slope and the y-intercept. Now I know that this table looks a little weird. If you want, in this space right here, you can try and draw it sideways if that's going to help you figure out your slope and y-intercept. X, y, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Then we would have -8, -6, -4, -2, 0. Alright, so you can graph those points and find your slope from the graph and your y-intercept from the graph, or you can use your table. So if I'm going to use my table to find my slope, remember I want my change in y over change in x. So to get from -2 to -1, I need to go up, and I need to go up, well, -2 to -1, that's going to bring me up one space. To get from -8 to -6, I need to go up, and I need to go up 2 spaces. So now when I do my change in y over change in x, I end up getting 2 over 1. Which you can simplify down if you want to just 2. When I do my y-intercept, I'm looking for when x is 0. So when x is 0, my y-intercept is -4. So that's going to be the point 0, -4. Alright. We can also graph these points up here, so let me graph them. -2, -8. You should graph them on your own paper just to see what we're talking about. -1, -6, 0, -4. Oh, I graphed this first one wrong. 0, -4. Alright, let me try this again. I graphed graph some of these guys are. Okay, -2, -8, -1, -6, 0, -4, 1, -2, and 2, 0. So our line looks like that when we graph it using our points. What I want you to do is I want you to look at what we found over here, our slope and our y-intercept, and I want you to look at your equation. Is there anything you notice between what I found down here and what I found up here? Take a minute, pause the video, see if you notice anything.